Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C61 with sparkle design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.74 inches HD plus water drop notch display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 90.3% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 260 ppi. Pixel density, 560 nits peak brightness, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB of RAM, and 12 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.84 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options dark green, sparkle gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, AI noise reduction call, air gestures control, rainwater smart touch, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C61 has been priced in Pakistan for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 32,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme C61 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.